Hi, I'm Kenny Andersen, Director of Product Marketing at Metabolon, and today we're going to take a closer look at the Metabolon Study Success Sample Handling Kit. And to help me do that, I've asked Valerie Poole from our sample preparation team to join us.
Thank you.
Before we get into the details of the kit, Valerie, I did want to ask you, because you deal so much with customers, what are some of the more common questions or concerns that they typically have?
So we get a lot of questions at the study design phase where clients aren't sure how to send us the samples. They're not sure what volumes or what tube types. And so that's part of the reason that we have the sample handling kit is to address those.
Well, let's dive in, take a closer look at what's inside. So when they get their kit, obviously we'll have supporting documentation will always be included. And I know that this covers some of the general guidelines for preparing the samples and shipping procedures.
So this document is going to tell the customer exactly those volumes that are needed for their matrix type.
And then obviously the tubes are really important, and they arrive in these racks with the sliding locks, but they also come in these cardboard cradles.
Yes, the cradle is very important, and we ask that the client saves these because they will be used in the return shipment of the samples. They protect those racks and those samples when they are shipped back to us, and it keeps the racks intact.
So don't throw these away.
Don't throw them away.
Keep those,
right.
Okay. We also have this handheld barcode scanner, so tell me about that and why that's important.
Based on the study design that we discussed earlier, we will provide tubes based on the matrix type. So we have a solid tube and a liquid tube, and what's unique about these tubes is they are barcoded. The barcode scanner allows the client to easily scan these samples into a Metabolon provided manifest, and that helps ensure traceability through our systems, and it also helps to reduce the number of discrepancies that we see at a sessioning and expedite the process.
So now I'm ready to send that in. What's the next step that I need to consider?
So once the samples are in the tubes, they can be sealed and then frozen, and then when they're ready to be shipped to Metabolon, you want to put these racks back in the cradles so that they're protected. And then you'll want to refer to the sample submission guidelines to determine how much dry ice you should put in the box so that we can ensure that those samples arrive to us frozen and intact.
All right. Well, Valerie, thank you very much for taking us through the details. I can definitely see how impactful and important this is to a successful study with Metabolon. So if you have any more questions about the Metabolon Study Success Sample Handling Kit, or if you're interested in getting one for your own study, please reach out to your Metabolon representative or simply go to our website and drop us a note. Thanks very much for watching.
Thank you.